In this video, I will show you how to buy TON on Bybit. To do this, just go and open up the Bybit app or website and click on Assets in the bottom right. Now from here, if you don't have any money in your account yet, just go and click on Deposit so that you have some money to buy TON with. After doing that, you just want to click Convert, and at the top now choose the currency you have. So for me it's set to Bitcoin. Now if I click on Bitcoin, I can then here select a cryptocurrency I own, or I can select a fiat currency. So for example, I'll select Euro. Then where it says to, for me it's set to USDT right now. Now if I would like to buy TON, then here I can just go and search for TON. Now if I would like to buy TON, then you can see right here it is not available. So instead what you want to do is just go and buy some USDT. For example, I'll buy 10 euros worth of USDT, then click on quote and just go and click confirm. And then once you have bought USDT, from here at the top, just go and select USDT, and then at the bottom you can then select TON. So just go and search for TON and click on it. And then once it's set to USDT to TON, you can choose how much you want to do. I'll just click max and then go and click on quote again. Now you will see how much you're going to get and the fee, and then click on confirm. And now I have bought TON. So if I now go to view my assets, you can see I have a little over $10 worth of TON in my account. So now you know how to buy TON on Bybit. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.